We are entering the last month of 2024. Are you ready? Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of December 2nd through the 8th. This is the first full week of December. How did we get here? It feels like the fall just like flew right by. But I am excited for the holidays. It's cooler now. We're starting to feel some of that winter weather. And it just feels so cozy, and I love that. So here is the kit that we're working with this week. It is, I don't know what it's called, but it is K139 from Hand Can Plan. I got 5 pages, I think because she was doing a sale, and I just got all the things. So this is going to be super fun to work with. I love the patterns in this. I was just super drawn to like how she laid everything out. She inserted her handwriting into some of these. It's just so cute. So we've got the full boxes. We've got lots of washi, and we've got this washi page back here as well. And then day covers with numbers. Love that. We've got lots of boxes, another extra box, which I love because 8 is not quite enough for me. I like to have lots of variety. And then we've got some scripts and some icons. Super cute. Weekend banner, you know I love that. And there's that washi page again. I had a hard time matching a color for this. I don't know why, but none of the pinks looked right or the red. So I've got this one. This is just blue from Zig. So we're going to try this one out. I think it'll work. It'll bring in some of this blue, and I think it's going to be really cute. This is just adorable. I love all the patterns. Now washi wise, I don't know what I want to do. I could definitely use this, but I also have these two. I don't know. I'm going to have to just decide as I go, but we have 3 weeks till Christmas break. I'm definitely counting down. Now, if you've never seen one of my plan with me's, the way that I do mine is I go ahead and set up the week on the Sunday before. Then I will fill you in as many days as I can with real life updates. And then at the end of the week, we will fill in with memory keeping and pictures to make it extra special. So let's get this spread set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi. So I decided to just go with the 2 strips on that main page instead of the thick plaid. I think both would have looked great, but this one just had a little bit more interest, and I wanted to bring in some more green. It's really, really pretty. I love that plaid and the cute little cookies and stuff. And then I'm going to pull in a little bit of this red one for some headers, kind of a little header strip up here. I really like to keep that area like covered just because it gives a little bit more structure to the spread, and I really love how this looks so far. And then we'll add in the day covers, and it'll even add some more. I am covering up 3 of the habits because I just decided to go with 4 for the rest of December. Then I've got the date covers going. Those are going to go across the top. I really like the contrast of the dark green with the red next to it. It's just very cute and bold. And then we're going to go to full boxes. So there were lots to choose from in this kit and lots of variety, and I really like that. So I'm going to pull the kind of quote box for my sidebar, and then I'll pull in, I am struggling with this weekend banner. We got it. So I'm adding in the full boxes. I really love all of them. They're just so cute. And then I'm just kind of putting these in their like quote unquote normal spots for me. I have realized that next year I probably need to mix it up a little bit more because my planner's getting like really bumpy in those spots because I really just choose those spots every single week. But we can definitely experiment with that next year because I'm going to try to stay in 1 book instead of splitting into 2. So I just checked my monthly to see if there's anything I need to add to the spread, and I'm adding a whole bunch of dots on Monday because I had the day off and I wanted to use that day to my advantage. I also had a friend's birthday on Saturday, so I put that in on a little quarter box, and I'm just filling in some to-dos throughout the spread, but mainly here on Monday. So I'm going to add even more dots because I just needed to get so much done. But it was really kind of worth it because I had more time during my weekdays. That was helpful.
filling in my habits. So really I'm only tracking vitamins and meds, water, steps or workout, and skincare for now, just to be consistent on those things. But once the new year hits, we're going to buckle down.
It is Wednesday, and I'm going to make this pretty quick. Just a couple things I need to do today. So I need to update my budget again. I think you can hear my cat's fountain in here. In some of my videos, I think I've noticed that when I'm editing, if that's bothering anyone, if you can even hear it, let me know. I can definitely unplug it for when I film. Okay, gratitude today. I'm gonna put my brother-in-law Sam. Some good conversations today. And then habits. Yes, yes. We're really close. I've had quite a few steps today, but we're not there yet. I'm gonna leave that blank. I really like that finally, after years of requesting it, your Apple Watch will, you can like program it for rest days and stuff. That's just so nice. Like, we should have had that all along, because who is working out every single day? Like, that's not even healthy for you. Yeah, you can be active every day, but like working out every day, I think that's really cool. I used that actually on Sunday because I knew I wanted to like recharge, relax a little bit, and it was nice. I liked it. Okay, we have room. I love this sticker. I think it's really cute. It's also from Hannah. I really like this one, but I feel like there's too much green happening right here. And we can't do this plaid one. Okay, this is what we got. I can always like remove one too if I want. How about we're just gonna go for it with this one? Just cause I think it's so cute. I love the little banner. I know you're probably supposed to fill these in with something, but I'm just gonna leave it as is. And that's it for today. I'm gonna go get some stuff done and then relax. It's been another very busy week, but it's been pretty good so far. And I'm grateful for that. It is Saturday, so I got home yesterday. I was so tired. This week just wiped me out. I thought I might be getting sick. I don't think I am, but I've definitely got something happening in the nose area, just super stuffy. I don't know what, I mean, it's just kind of dry and stuff. I don't know if it's that, whatever it is, hope it's nothing. But so tired last night, came home, relaxed, went to bed early, and slept so good. Thursday, nothing really happened, so I don't know what I'm going to put in here. And then Wednesday, I think we checked in Wednesday. So I am a little bit behind on some housework that I've just been putting off and putting off. I don't know why. I'm not feeling it this week. Luckily, with my schedule, I clean my house every week. So, like, next week's fine. But today, let's talk about today. So, I need to do some laundry and also wash linens. So, I need to strip my bed and everything. I need to film my last goals video, which is my annual goals. I already texted my friend Holly. She's in Dallas this weekend, seeing her kids. So, I just texted her and got her some funny gifts yesterday. I think she enjoyed her birthday. So I need to film and edit today, laundry, wash linens. I really need to start raking up some leaves. They're finally dropping. I don't know what it is about this year, but usually my leaves drop off my fruitless mulberry in like October, at the latest November, and now it's December. And they still haven't dropped, and they're still like halfway on. So my sister has this handy little gadget. I need to text her and ask her to borrow it because it just makes everything so much easier. But it's a big project because there's just so many leaves. It's just insane how many leaves fall off of this tree every year. And my yard's not even that big, but I need to get that done, or at least started. But I need to coordinate with her about like using her little gadget. What else do I need to do today? I'm probably gonna go for a walk or something, or maybe start on the leaves. I don't know, because they're not fully dropped, so like I just know it's going to take me more than one day. But I do need to call my mom at some point and just kind of check in. And I need to wrap some gifts, but I don't have any gift boxes, or I don't have enough, so I'm not going to start that yet. But I have this sticker also from Handkin Plan. I have this little sheet, which is super cute, and I'm just going to kind of keep on my desk so that I can use them. But let's go ahead and put this, let me add 2 more dots, because I know I've got other things I need to do. I definitely need to just do like a once over of my house and just tidy up a little bit. And then let's put in this box. I love this one. It's super cute. Okay, and then I'll just put this right here. My dad's doing great. My mom took a picture of him mowing the lawn, which I don't know that he's supposed to do yet, but his new hip is great. He's been doing all of his exercises and everything. He's doing very well. What else? Oh, I need to mail off my car registration. So in Texas, they changed it where you don't need an inspection anymore, but their website's not updated enough to actually do it because it switches over in January. But that's when my registration is up, in January. So I'm like, I had to print off some stuff and send it in. Like, I have a letter, not a letter, an envelope full of stuff. Like, it's so weird to do that because everything is like digitized now, but it was just very odd. Hopefully they get their website up and running before next year so I can do it digital next year. But they did not, this is what's funny, they did not replace the fee with anything else, like, or take it off or anything. They just called it an inspection replacement fee, which is hilarious to me because why are you doing that? You just want the money. You just want that money still. So like, why not bundle it into the price of the registration instead of just, I don't know. I just thought that was so stupid. Like, who are you trying to fool with this? Just put it into the new price. Like, I don't know. Anyway, I need to get that mailed off. I meant to do it a couple weeks ago. Totally forgot. They happened to send me a email about it saying like the new process and everything. And then I remembered I got to do that, which I guess is good because I didn't go get an inspection. Okay, that's what is on the docket for today. I'm going to go film like right now so I can get that done, and then I'll figure out what else I need to do with the rest of my day. It is Sunday, and I have been hard at work getting stuff done. I already went and got some coffee and groceries, and then I've been just working on stuff at home. I did quite a bit of editing yesterday, so I got my editing done yesterday, thank goodness, because I had a little bit of a break from that. So what I have left today is a new plan with me, which I am going to film right after this. And then I need to color my hair tonight and finish folding laundry from yesterday. I just didn't get to it yesterday. Yesterday I did go for a walk, which was really nice, and I might go again today. I think the weather's pretty good. I'll wait till it warms up just a little bit though. And just kind of relax tonight. Maybe wrap some presents. I put in the sticker yesterday for a reminder. Over here, I'm still working on my habits, so I've got this one done, but the rest are in that progress. And I think that's it. Gratitude today, I'm just going to put my family. And then I'll be back in a second to add in some pictures and finish up this spread with you and add in our favorite moment of the week. Let's finish up this spread. I've got some pictures to include for this week. And I need to grab my adhesive. Okay, so this week ended up being pretty good, even though it was a little stressful. But, you know, we take what we can get, I guess. Okay, so let me grab my scissors. They're with my gift wrapping stuff. Okay, so I'm going to trim down a couple pictures so they'll fit a little better. And then glue everything down. Well, tape everything down, I guess. And I'll be right back. Okay, pictures are down. I just pulled a couple character stickers to put in. I think I'm going to put this on... Okay. On a label. Which one though? Let's do this one. Put this in right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna like make a little note here. And then I think I'll save this for next week. Okay, favorite moment of this week. I'm gonna say my friend Holly's birthday because it was fun. We celebrated her. We gave her some funny gifts, super fun. And I think the spread is done. This is super cute. I really love handcom blankets. They're just very unique. I think because she just puts them together in like her creative mind, and I love her eye for design and everything. So cute. Thank you so much for watching this plan with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed for more content. And share this video with somebody you think might like it. And I'll see you next week. Bye!